Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. How are you guys? My name is Mahmoud. I'm an Arabic language tutor. I teach Quran and Arabic to native speakers. So if you'd like to have a lesson online with me, Quran or Arabic, you can email me here at ustazmahmoud184@gmail.com. Today, inshallah, we're going to learn how to say in Arabic, wake up. And before we start our lesson, please guys, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for the channel, and if you could share this video with your friends, I'll be grateful for this because this really helps me a lot. And let's see our lesson today. Okay, wake up. Wake up, we have here two kinds of verbs. We have استيقظ, يستيقظ, استيقظ. استيقظ means he woke up. يستيقظ, he wakes up. استيقظ, wake up, it's in command. So استيقظ past, ماضي. يستيقظ مضارع, present. استيقظ أمر, command. Okay, and we have here أيقظ, يوقظ, أيقظ. أيقظ, it means you wake someone up. Yani he woke someone up. أيقظ. يوقظ, and he wakes someone up. أيقظ, wake him up. So this is the difference between these two verbs, between these two forms. استيقظ, it means he woke up by himself. But أيقظ, it means someone woke him up. Someone woke him up. And let's see some examples. Please look at the first. Here, استيقظ يوسف باكرا. استيقظ يوسف باكرا, it means Yusuf woke up early. استيقظ يعني woke up Yusuf باكرا, early. استيقظ يوسف باكرا, that's in past. Okay, in present. يستيقظ أبي متأخرا. My dad wakes up late. يستيقظ أبي متأخرا. يستيقظ هذا مضارع in present. يستيقظ أبي متأخرا. Okay, and this here استيقظ يا أحمد. استيقظ يا أحمد means wake up أحمد. Wake up أحمد. استيقظ, this is command. استيقظ يا أحمد, wake up أحمد. Okay, and we have here أيقظ يوقظ أيقظ. أيقظ يوقظ أيقظ. So here it means wake someone up. Okay, so for example, look at this sentence. أيقظ يوسف أباه. أيقظ يوسف أباه, it means Yusuf woke his dad up. Yusuf woke his dad up. That means his father didn't wake up by himself. No, someone woke him up, which is Yusuf. أيقظ يوسف أباه. أيقظ يوسف أباه. Okay, this is in past. In present, توقظ الأم أولادها. توقظ الأم أولادها. Here, the mother wakes her children up. توقظ الأم أولادها. The mother wakes her children up. Okay, the last sentence in command. أيقظ أخاك يا أحمد. Wake your brother up, أحمد. أيقظ أخاك يا أحمد. Wake your brother up, أحمد. Okay, so this is استيقظ and this is أيقظ. Okay, and we learned the difference between both of them. Okay, I hope you can write a sentence in your in the comment from your mind using استيقظ and using أيقظ in a comment. I'll look at it and correct for you, inshallah. Okay, don't forget to make dua for me and for my family. Thank you, and I see you in other lessons, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum.